I'll just drop you now and head back to the office. I needed to see my wife and I told them that I wanted to go get something to eat. Yeah?
Okay, okay.
Oh.
Let's stop and help her.
What?
Let's stop and help her.
She's obviously looks like someone that's in trouble, but another person will help her. We don't have to be the good Samaritan.
When did you become this headless? When? What is, how do I mean? What did the Bible say about helping people? Huh? See, please, this place is dangerous. Let's take her out of here. If anything happens to this girl, I will not forgive you.
Wait, you're not threatening me because of a girl you don't even know?
The job you're doing today, who gave it to you? Who helped you? So why would you stop helping people? Please, let's go back and help her, please.
Don't worry. You're okay now. Alright? You're fine now.
It's okay. Stop crying. It's fine. Stop. Alright? I'll take you to your room, then make you relax and get you some change of clothes, okay?
Don't worry, stop crying, okay? My wife will fix something for you to eat. After that, we'll take you to wherever you're coming from.
Yeah.
What? What is it again?
I don't remember anything.
What?
I'm so confused. I don't remember anything. Okay. Babe, yeah? I'm sure she has amnesia. Can she stay with us for a little time? When she gets back her senses, we'll take her back to wherever she comes from.
What? Okay, whatever you say.
Thank you. That's fine.
I have respected you enough. What part of the English language you do not understand? I am not interested in you. Don't you get it?
Clara, you are old enough to get married. Why not give me a chance to make you happy? To show you how much I love you. I will take you around the world.
Is it where you're busy with your business that you will take care of me? Listen, Mr. Paul. I am not one of those girls that gets married and start dressing down. I follow the train. I am freaky. So I know the kind of man I want for myself. Definitely not your type.
I think I know what you want. I just sent 1 million to your account now.
Mr. Paul, Why do you want me in your life?
I love you. Baby, the Muji Jemba. Ijele. The Muji Jemba. I will take you around the world. I'll give you whatever you want. Everything is in my house. It will not work. I want you for occasions.
You must be very stupid to take me as a dummy. Oh, I'm only good for occasions. Mr. Paul, leave my office. Out of my office!
Think about it.
Can you imagine? I'm only good for occasions. I don't blame you.
I am not comfortable with that girl living here with us. I think we should take her to the police station.
Babe, our marriage is just a few months old and God has really been faithful. We have really achieved so much. So helping people or helping anyone, it's no big deal. Trust me. By so doing, God will open more doors for us and give us beautiful children. Trust me, see that girl? My mind is telling me that girl will bring good luck to us. So it's okay. Please.
I give up. You win. Just put your eyes on her. Because anything can happen, you know.
Honey, I know, but people with clean hands fear no accusations. Or is there anything you're hiding from me?
Hell no.
So here we go.
But I'm hungry.
You're hungry? My honey is hungry. What do you want? I'll fix it right away. Tell me, just give me 5 minutes.
I have successfully entered the house. I'm one of the rooms now.
That is so nice. Remember, once you are done with the assignment, you will leave this country, make money and take care of your family. Let the game begin.
Thank you so much. I appreciate. You have nothing to worry about. Absolutely nothing. I will surely deliver.
I'm so glad you ate well, alright? Now tell me, did you enjoy your food?
Yes. From the day I can remember, I have not eaten for 3 days.
What?
Those guys are heartless. They threatened to kill me if no ransom was paid. I can't remember who to call. They killed so many people for me.
What?
Please, sir. Please, ma'am. I'm afraid to go out from this house. I don't want to die, please.
It's okay.
It's okay. Okay. You're not gonna go anywhere now. You're gonna stay here with us. Okay?
My husband and I will take care of you. Right? We will look after you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, stop crying, okay? Stop crying, you're safe now.
And I didn't want to say anything in there because I didn't want her to feel that I do not like her.
Why would you say that? What do you mean by that?
Thank you for everything. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for allowing her stay.
Baby, you don't have to thank me, okay? You know I love you so much, and I will do anything at all that will make you happy. I love you, baby.
I love you too.
You know, I have to hurry back to work, okay? I took permission to come drop you off. I don't want them to start looking for me, okay, my love? And after that, I will have to hang out with my friend Paul.
As usual. Okay, let me walk you to the car.
Okay, baby. Let's go.
My baby girl. Baby. I know you're angry I didn't attend your wedding, but not to worry. You know I wasn't in the country then. It's okay, I promise I will make it up to you. It's a promise. Really? Are you coming over? Yes! Oh, I can't wait to see you, girl. I can't wait. I can't. Alright. Okay. Yeah.
I do not see anything wrong with her decision. Your wife I know recently is not a bad decision maker. Just do this one for her to make sure there is peace in your family.
Well, I already agreed to her request. Good. I just wanted to hear your opinion and see, So, tell me, how is business going?
Oh, very well. But still have some issues. Yes. 4 containers arrived yesterday. Okosisi containers are yet to arrive. So he's very angry with me. Honestly, I don't know what to do.
Wait, are you still having issues with that man? So what did he say is his problem now?
He refused my containers from entering the garage. My boss would have finished uploading my books. It was when I went there, the security boys started begging me that they never knew that the container belongs to me.
Oh, wow.
Very serious.
Oh, wow. That Okosisi is very mean.
Very.
Well, I'm happy for you. Big man. The importer.
You know what I can do.
I love your house. Your kitchen is beautiful, spacious.
Oh, thank you so much, my friend.
You're welcome.
What can I say? I was really happy when you told me you were relocating to my area with your husband.
That was when you were abroad. Now that you're here, I can now enjoy the whole area.
I heard your husband is so cute. I can't wait to see him.
Who told you that? Yes. He is so cute. I know. But I did not marry him because of his cuteness. I married him because he gives me peace of mind. Of course, you know me, I love peace. I do not love stress, and you know.
The man that introduced me to you said I can do the business very fine.
Of course. Okoro knows me very well. When it comes to marketing and advertisement, I'm the best in that line. So you don't have anything to worry about.
No problem. If you can do the business, more business will be given to you.
That is what I want to hear. You know, bring more business, we'll get more money. You know, anybody that knows me knows that I do my best and I do my best in whatever I'm doing. Thank you.
No, I don't drink juice. I take beer.
Oh, you don't do juice?
No, I take alcohol.
That's no problem. Miriam, please go to my room. In my drawer, you see some money, then go to the next store and get him some beer. Right. So as I was saying, bro, this reminded me like 2 years ago. The same thing you're doing now was the same thing Johnson did. He came to my house, he was like, please, can I help him do this? Can I help him do this? You know Johnson now?
I know Johnson.
Yeah, I was the one that actually marketed his business.
Wow.
And Johnson now is a very big boy.
Now I know Johnson. Now he's a very
That's so
big
much
guy
money.
now. Yeah.
So we don't have anything to worry about.
No problem.
We're going to make money. Good
No
money.
problem.
Okay, I need to go now. You know, my husband is alone and I need to go make food for him. It's getting late.
It's okay. I really enjoyed your company.
I did too.
I wish you can stay away from me.
That's okay. I'll come some other time, okay?
It's okay. What about the girl you saved the other day? Can't she at least make food for your husband?
Wait, are you expecting me to leave my husband for the house girl? You want her to make food for my husband? Girlfriend, no. I am the wife, so I ought to make food for my husband and not my house girl. Excuse me, my shoe on my back. Home I go, up I go. Come on, let's go, let's go. Let's get to it, let's go. Oh my friend.
Where's the baby? Where's the baby?
I just brought business for you.
Where's the baby?
Okay, calm down. Why you're looking for me? Calm down.
You remember my baby? I give you 5, 1, where's the baby? 2, where's the baby?
Sawit! Why are you running away?
What is happening to your Oga? Talk now, say something.
We have been suffering this for a long time.
What?
He's
What? Say something now.
He's a drug addict.
Drug addict?
Yes. That is why he doesn't take alcohol, so it won't get worse.
Thank God I did not give him this business.
Sir!
What is going on here? Who is he?
Thank God you arrived early. He brought a business proposal for Oga, but Oga chased him out of the house.
My husband chased him out. What did he do? Because the husband that I married that I know is not violent. So what happened?
Oga came home with a lady who is half dressed. They were kissing in the sitting room. And Oga was acting like someone who is under the influence of something. But I comforted the lady, telling her that Oga is a married man.
Yes.
But she slapped me
She
instead. Then she brought out a white substance. They started inhaling it. Later, Oga started shouting like a madman. I don't know what is wrong with Oga.
Where's my husband? No, where's my husband? Inside. Honey? Honey, what is it? What is going on? What happened to you? What did they do to you? What is it?
What have I done to you? Why are you treating me like this?
What?
You pretend to be my wife, but you are so evil. Why?
Honey, I understand what is going on, okay? I can help you. Let me take you to the bathroom so that you can take a shower.
You can't love me the way she loves me.
Who?
My baby. My baby.
Stop it! Stop it! You're telling me about a who, another another woman right before to my face? What? Oh.
Where's my baby?
Oh no. No, baby, don't do it. No, please, I beg you, my phone. No.
Babe, I don't know what happened, but there is no woman anywhere. The last person I saw was Chidi, who was offering me a contract.
You really think I am daft? You think I am daft? Look at my face. Look at what you did to my face. You even mentioned the one beating me. If not for Miriam that called the neighbors, I would have been dead by now. Provide that woman, else there will be no peace in this house. Provide that woman.
But baby, there is no woman. You can even ask Miriam. I didn't come home with any woman.
I should ask Miriam. You're not even ashamed to be lying at this your age. You are not.
Babe.
Shame on you.
Babe.
Come on.
Babe, don't allow the devil to break us. There's no woman anywhere.
Provide that woman.
There's no woman, babe. What is going on? What is going on?
Yes. The first plan worked very perfectly. The house is on fire. I am so happy about it. That fool must pay. Always remember to play smart. Do not allow them to catch you. This mission is very important to me. In fact, my life depends on it. I will never allow anything go wrong. It's time for the second assignment. Yes, sir.
Miriam.
Oh.
Did you by any chance see a woman walking here while I was having issues with my wife yesterday?
A woman? No, sir. No woman came to this house.
So why is my wife saying that a woman came in here to give me bad substance?
Maybe she was angry with you and decided to get back at you. But Oga, I wondered what made you behave that way. Which food did you eat last?
It was my wife that brought the food that I ate. That was before Chidi visited. She said it was Chidi that brought the food and...
Oh. Do you now understand where the problem is coming from? I'm sure it's from the food.
Francis, what is the meaning of this? Don't you know that I'm a titled man? Why are you dragging my shirt like this? Chief Paul Chidi, what did you put in my food that you gave my wife? Huh? What are you talking about? I bought 2 plates of food, I gave your wife 1, and I ate 1.
So, you want me to believe that? You added something in my food that is making me misbehave.
How can I do such? We have been friends for years. How can I do such?
You know, I've been thinking that you're a very good person. But now it's very obvious that you're a wicked man. So you want to kill me. You want to kill me.
You are talking to me. Do you realize that you are talking to me?
Who are you?
Huh? Your best friend.
The one to kill me?
I can't do such.
That is how it happened. The woman in question ran away before my madam returned. I asked you if you're sure about this guy, but you said yes. He gives you peace of mind. Now what is this? Take a look at yourself. These men are animals in human form. What if he had killed you? So he's a drug addict.
Honestly, I know the man that I married. The man that I married does not do drugs. He doesn't drink.
Really?
He does not smoke. I don't know what is going on.
Now let me ask you. How was he able to carry the cocaine he took without running mad? Or haven't you heard, when you take cocaine for the first time, you will run mad? Listen, Isioma, no man is a saint. It's either he's a drug addict, or he's a drunkard, or he's into women. Come on, girl, I don't know how this man managed to wash your brain to this level.
I'm confused right now because I don't know what to believe. I don't know.
See, girl, you need to protect yourself. All this news of men killing their wives, this is how it starts. You need to protect yourself.
See, my friend, you need to listen to me. What you saw that day is not me. You need to understand, I don't do drugs. I am a man of dignity, an honorable man. I cannot do drugs. I don't even understand what happened that day.
Why did your people allow you to be walking around the street? Do you want to buy someone? Eh?
What are you talking about?
They should take you to Psychia.
What do you mean I should be taken to the psychiatric hospital?
You see that business? You cannot do it.
Why? Chidi, see, I don't know, hey! Chidi, see, I don't know what happened, but I'm fine.
What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Household enemy is the worst enemy. The greatest enemy lives with you, yeah. Oh, summer dogs in a manger.
That's my friend I usually tell you about.
Oh, you mean Chidema?
Yeah, her name is not Chidema, her name is Clara.
No,
maybe you're mistaken her for someone else. Her name is Clara.
No, baby, her name is Chidema.
Her name is Clara. Excuse me.
And why are you still following me around? I thought what we had was ended a long time ago.
I wasn't following you around. Just a coincidence, your wife is my friend. I wasn't in the country when you guys had your traditional marriage and white wedding. I never knew you are the husband she talks about.
Now that you have known, can you please stay away from my family? And allow me to enjoy my family in peace?
You know work. No means say we'll be enemies.
And you know how it ended. I don't want a repeat of that. Stay away from my family.
Fine. I will do just that. You're looking so good. You've changed. Looking so handsome. The air that comes out from your nostrils heals my wounds. I can't really say what brought us together, but I know we are not done yet. Remember, I still know how to give you the best romance. So, let's go inside.
I'm really sorry. I didn't know what came over me. We have been in this marriage for months now. And we dated for a year. Have you ever seen me act like this before?
A day begins to drama. Change the sea is constant. I need to know, when did you start? When did you start taking banned substances?
Dude, that is what I'm trying to unravel here. The cause of it.
That's why you've been fighting everywhere. Everywhere you go, fighting your friend. Even at your workplace, you are fighting. When did it start?
Babe, I'm sorry. But I want you to help me. Help me find the cause of this. I don't know what is happening to me.
I have forgiven you. But I need to know that woman that brought that banned substances for
you. You mean Chidima?
Here we go. So that's her name, Chidima.
What's the meaning of this? You walk into my office as if you're the one of the office. What do you want?
I paid 3 years rent for you. Did your landlord tell you that?
What guts? Did I beg you to beg for me?
Anyway, my friend provoked me. He fought me in my office. Can you imagine that?
How is that my business?
Anyway, I came to see my girlfriend. If she could talk me out of the mood, if possible, hold my head and scratch it. Yes.
Are you referring to me?
Yes, baby.
Now I understand. It's okay. Alright. Hold on. Okay, turn around. Now move. Keep moving. I don't even want to see you in my office again. Let this be the last.
Baby, I love you.
Love, yeah, look, come on. Go away. Oh!
No. Some friends are so bad. Some friends are evil.
You're wasting much time. Execute this plan immediately.
I will do it. It's not easy. Once I get the opportunity, I will do it.
Remember, if you delay much, your reward will be delayed equally. Get to work immediately.
Oh no, you have to be careful. You don't know their plan. No. Some friends are so bad. Some friends are evil.
Baby? Hello. I'm going to work already.
Breakfast is ready.
Oh baby, I'm running late. Okay? I'll eat at the office. Okay? Alright. Baby, I've been wanting to ask you, the girl that came the other day, how do you know her?
I told you she's my friend. I have always known her before I met you. Just that she couldn't come for our wedding, she was out of the country. She said her boyfriend broke her heart. She was suffering from heartbreak.
Oh, really?
Yes. You have asked after her like 3 times. Do you know her from anywhere?
Oh, no, not at all, babe. She looks like someone I know. And that's what I'm asking. All good.
It's okay. Have a nice day, honey.
Kiss me. Take care.
Drive carefully. Yes, fine. Careful. Love you more.
I was shocked. I was very shocked. What happened to you? What did you take?
Oh, it was just a glass of juice.
A glass of juice? Who served you the juice?
No other but Miriam. A little girl that stays with us.
Did you ask or check if she has a hand in it?
I should ask Miriam if she has a hand.
Of course!
Oh, come off it now. Miriam is too innocent for that kind of drama. Have you not seen Miriam before? She's quiet, she's innocent, she doesn't have friends, she doesn't keep friends, she's always in the house, all by herself. Like, I can't be asking her such questions. She can't do something like that.
Francis, did you hear yourself very well? Everyone is a suspect.
Not until my ex came to the house.
Chidimma.
Yes. She came to my house, and the worst part now is that my wife is telling me they are friends. Best of friends. But I don't want that girl close to my space. That is a bad influence to my wife. I don't want her around me.
You have 2 options. Tell your wife the truth, or you make her to stay away from her. I mean, very far from her.
Baby, I'm home. Where's my wife?
There is one chief who always comes to the house to see her. They were in the room together when I left. But later, I saw them driving out. So, Madame said from there, she will see her friend Clara before coming back in the evening.
It's okay.
The number you're calling is currently switched off or out of coverage. Please try again later.
Switched off.
Babe, I do not know what is going on with my husband. I don't know. He has totally changed. All the love and affection he used to shower on me, he has stopped it. Every night when I try to touch him, he tells me he's tired. I don't know what's going on.
Babe, you're the one fueling the problem. Men get jealous when they think they're in competition with another man over their wives or their girlfriends.
So what are you trying to say? I should cheat on my husband, get another man?
No, I'm not saying you should cheat on him. I mean, make him think that you're cheating on him or you're seeing another man when you don't have any.
It's so difficult. Wait. You're my friend. You cannot see me falling into a pit and you allow me fall into it. The last time you visited my house, I saw the shock on your face when you saw my husband. Tell me, do you know my husband from anywhere? Do you know anything about him? Do you know him in the past?
Isioma,
Yes.
I'm sorry to say this, but your husband is a flirt. He can't stay without a woman by his side for 1 week. But people say he has changed because back then when he was in Ibadan, yeah, I know him to be someone that can't stay without a woman, but I believe he has changed, though I doubt it.
Household enemy is the worst enemy. The greatest enemy lives with you, yeah. Oh, some are dogs in a manger. The devil, you know, is better than the angel you done.
And where are you coming from, young lady?
Oh, Dikeh.
What is this?
Who was the man I visited you to?
It was the contractor and you know about him.
So, did he visit you from today?
After the contractor left, I was bored. And yes, I visited her.
So, was that the reason you took your boyfriend to my room to make out with him?
What? Me?
Are you that cheap now? Huh? Why are you telling me it's your local boys? Huh?
Do not take my biggest from against God and to your hands of naked!
So did you want to go to work? You went to my house to sleep with them?
What nonsense! You mean he was pounding you and you did nothing? God, he should thank his God that I'm not the one. I would have given him full dosage of what he deserved. What rubbish!
I don't know what has come over my husband. I don't know. Because I know the husband I married. Man I married cannot even hurt a fly.
He can't hurt a fly, but he keeps hurting you. Listen, girl, you need to do something or even quit that marriage. I need to pay that monster a visit.
Oh no! No. Please, I'm begging you. Do not come. He doesn't want to see you in my house. Not anything close to my house.
Neither will I sit back and watch him kill my only friend. What is this? You know what? When I'm ready, I will pay your house a visit to end this nonsense.
It's okay to just take me home, drop me far away from my house. I'll walk down.
Look at you.
Oh, let's go. Drop me very close to my house. I'll walk down.
It's okay. Are you sure you're fine?
But how can my wife cheat on me? How can she? I warned her against that man from coming to my house. She still had the guts to bring that same idiot to my room. Eh?
Why would she do a thing like that? Did you ask her and she admitted?
Paul, I was asking my wife and she started putting up attitude. She was even trying to walk out on me.
Who told you about that? That your wife brought a man to your house?
What does it mean?
What do you mean by that, Francis?
As I'm talking to you now, the family is on fire. The sweet couple don't greet each other. Thanks for the compliment. I overheard Madam saying she will leave the marriage soon. Ah, you didn't tell me that one. It's not part of our agreement. Oh, I will see what I can do.
Why are you hiding making this kind of phone call? Why didn't you make the phone call inside? And besides, who bought that phone for you?
Who the hell are you to question me? A common gate man. Let today be the last time you will talk this rubbish.
I don't understand. Are you the one talking to me, or is there something inside you that is talking? Look at my Bikodo. This girl that Oga and Madam brought into this house that was forming an innocent. So this is you. This is your true color. I said it. Pretenders, they do the worst. So this is your true color. Okay.
Get out of my face.
Hey. No. Be careful of those you help. Some are so bad. You need to be careful.
Okay.
What a lie.
Hey, Bill. Let me make this very clear to you. Let today be the first and the last time you would disturb this girl. Can't you see that she's in so much pain? Trying to remember her family. And you have the guts to shout at her.
Shout at her? I did not shout at her, Oga. I did not. When did I shout at you? Ha! In fact, Oga, let me download.
Just get out.
Let me download what happened. Let me download everything. You don't want me to download it.
Thank you so much, sir.
It's okay. I'll just go to your room and rest, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Meanwhile, he said he saw you making a call. Who gave you the phone?
Sir, he was lying against me. I didn't make any calls. I don't even have a phone. He saw me thinking at the corner of the house. He wanted to make advance on me and I refused. And he started shouting at me.
It's okay. Just go in and rest, okay?
Okay, sir.
No. Be careful of those you help. Some are so bad. You need to be careful. What a lie.
Hello, sir. Good morning. Sir, it's me, Miriam.
What a lie.
I'm fine, sir. I'm fine. Sir, you said if I notice anything wrong, I should call you.
What a lie.
So I came out of the house to call you with my friend's phone, who lives in the neighborhood.
What a lie.
Sir, the man you said should not come here is in the house now. Madam is living here too. They are laughing, calling each other sweet names. I even overheard them saying they'll go to the kitchen and cook together. Yes, sir. So I don't know why Madam is doing like this. You are a good man. Don't worry. I'll keep an eye on them.
I thought they said you have amnesia, that you don't remember things. How were you able to remember people and call them? And who are you calling?
I see you're tired of this job we are doing. I will help you lose it.
Are you talking to me? Look at this girl. Oh. I have always known that you are a snake. Forming good girl. They want to kill me. They want to kill. See, let me tell you the truth. If you have succeeded in bewitching Oga, Madam is still free. And I'm also free. We are free like a bird. You cannot do us anything. And let me tell you, anything you are hiding, all those your secrets, I will unravel it. You don't know me. I will unravel it.
All the best.
So what's the good news, contractor?
Here's the file. Go through it. Yeah, go through it so you understand. God has been faithful. God has been faithful.
Oh, I can't believe this. You made this happen. You made it happen.
You don't need to.
What is going on?
Hey, baby.
Who is this man?
The contractor, he brought a multi-millionaire contract for me to sign.
The same person I want you not to allow to step his feet into this company again.
No, sir. I only came for her to see through this file so she can understand the terms and conditions.
Really? Yes. Are you expecting me to believe the cock and bull story? Wait, is it not the same guy that was in the room with you the other day?
No! I beg your pardon.
What? Are you...
Wait up. How did you open this gate? Because I locked this gate before going to sleep. You don't even have the key, the spare keys. How did you open this gate?
Abel, I can see you don't want to respect yourself. You left the gate open and went to sleep, endangering the lives of others, and you have the guts to talk to me.
Are you stupid? Yala. See, if I slap you, who left the gate open? So I don't know what I'm saying again. The gate that I locked. How did you manage to open it? See, let me tell you the truth. All this your kukere waka, all this your pim movement, by the time I get that oku, if I get that leg, all these things you are planning, I'm seeing it spiritual because you don't know me. Or your kukere waka, I'm seeing it spiritual. Very soon I will unravel it. Yes, I will unravel it.
Unravel your destiny first, because you are not even qualified to be a gatekeeper. I'm serious.
What a lie.
Look at this girl.
Household enemy.
Hi.
Is the worst enemy.
You say that Abel or the Wala go on no. Someone with BSc in security and protection of human life and property. Kines line, I say that he's not qualified. Okay. But where is this girl always going? Where is she always going? Because Madam is the one going to the market to buy food stores and everything. What is she doing now? What is the woman even outside? Okay?
Oh God, what is this?
Do you know what I'm going through? What you say? Do you know what I'm going through in my house? Do you know?
You beat this woman at any slight provocation. A contractor brought a big deal for her. Now you have succeeded in destroying the deal. Are you happy now?
All those things are scope. All those things is scope. There's no deal. I got my information from a reliable source.
Who told you that? You trust others. You don't even trust your wife. You believe what others told you. That is what destroys home very fast.
So are you saying that my information is not accurate?
I did not say so. But up a cage I joy federal meaning. Think. Look deep. Okay? If you don't trust your wife, who will you trust?
I am not sorry about it. I am not sorry. He is a madman. Can't you see how he destroyed a contract that took you months to secure? And you still see nothing wrong with it?
What you have me do? What? And I have done everything. Everything I could, but it's not working. I tried to handle everything in peace. But he's not listening, and I do not want to report him to my family, neither he is. I don't want to do it.
Listen, Isoma. You have two options. It's either you inflict injury on him or you leave this marriage. Yes.
No. I cannot injure my husband. I can't do it.
Oh, really? You can't injure your husband, but he will keep inflicting injuries on you. Husbands that we see on net today, how do you think they end up killing their wives? You need to retaliate. Woman beater, weakness. How many men did you beat out there? How many men did you beat out there?
Baby, how many times have I warned you to stop allowing this bulldog into this house?
Excuse me? Do not call me that! Who is your baby? Don't call me that name! Don't!
Is this how you're going to talk to me in front of your visitor?
I am not a visitor.
How dare you?
No, no, no. Some friends are so bad. Some friends are evil. No, no, no. Some friends are so cruel. They don't want to be. Behind the mask there's a face. Some friends are so wicked. Oh no, you have to be careful. You don't know their plan. No, some friends are so bad. Some friends are evil. No, some friends are so cruel. They don't want to be. Behind the mask there's a face. Some friends are so wicked. Oh no, you have to be careful. You don't know their plan. No, some friends are so bad. Some friends are evil.
It's obvious you've not told your wife about me. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and tell her how you broke my heart. Or do you want me to help you do that?
My friend, I did nothing to you. You're lying. You know the truth, right? So I don't know why and what you're doing in my house.
Well, I'm here for my friend who you want to keep playing like football. If you want me to stop coming to your house, you have to do something for me.
Which is?
I will need you to make love to me.
slice. And it's going to be raw.
Hey, are you crazy? Huh?
Of course you know I am. So should I pick location?
I thought you said my wife is your friend.
Same time blocking my space.
I don't know what you are, but you need to leave my house.
I go nowhere.
No, no, no. Some friends are so bad. Some friends are evil. No, no, no. Some friends are so cruel. They don't want to be. Behind the mask there's a face. Some friends are so wicked. Oh no, you have to be careful.
Clara, you shouldn't have slapped my husband no matter what. It is disrespectful.
No. This is not you, Isioma. This man has jabbed you big time. The Isioma I used to know is a lioness. What happened to you?
Clara, you are only trying for peace to reign, and that's it. I beg you, if there's anything you want to tell me, or there's anything you want from me, please call me. I'll come over to your house. Stop coming to my house. Please, just leave.
Isioma, has he gotten to this? It's okay.
Behind the mask there's a face. Some friends are so wicked. Oh no, you have to be careful.
Are you happy now? I'm talking to you. Are you happy now? What? You brought a stranger to slap you.
And why didn't you slap her back? I ask you, why did you slap her back? Listen, I have had enough of you. I will not tolerate this nonsense again. I will not. What? Get away from this place. Get up. What did you do? Did you touch my dress?
Are you trying to...
Try me! What do you want to do? No, come and beat me up! Come on! What are you doing there? Come and beat me! I don't know where I'm going to! No, come and beat me! I am here now! Come and beat me! No, come and beat me!
They don't want to be.
As I'm talking to you now, the house is on fire. That is why I decided to come and see you.
Oh my dear, you shouldn't have come. What if someone had followed you?
Nobody followed me.
I can't wait to see that marriage crash, so I can have Francis all to myself.
Abel! Where's this man? Abel!
Some friends are evil. No. Some friends are so cruel. They don't want to be.
Abel!
You're doing a great job, my dear. And your reward is very big. You will enjoy, smile, and get to take good care of your family.
Thank you so much, ma.
It's okay.
Well, the only problem we have now is the gate man. We need to do something about him.
Oh, that one. Forget it. I will take care of him immediately. Okay?
Okay, ma.
Be smart.
Thank you.
Good care.
Behind the mask there's a face. Some friends are so wicked. Oh no, you have to be careful.
And where are you coming from?
I went to buy something for Madame.
Have you seen Abel, the gate man?
Oh, he's at that fat woman's house.
Which fat woman?
The one living at, what's the name of that junction again? Woji Junction. He said they are dating. Most times the woman comes to the house to take him to her house. And she came this afternoon. I was warning Abel not to go out, that Oga is around. He might need your services. Abel saying he doesn't care, that Oga is living his life. He should live his own life too. Oga cannot tie him to the gate now.
Are you sure of what you're telling me?
Oga, once he comes back, ask him yourself.
Okay, you can leave.
Yes, sir.
Chief Paul, I just finished speaking with my family. No, I am not sure I can continue with this marriage because I am tired. I have done everything to make him happy, but he keeps provoking me. He keeps provoking me to bring out the monster in me, and I do not want to show that side. So it is better we go our different ways. Well, I don't know. I don't know where he is. Chief, it's better this way. I am tired. I can't continue to take everything that he's dishing out to me. I can't continue to take it. I am tired. I am done.
Household enemy is the worst enemy. The greatest enemy lives with you.
Perfect plan. Step by step, no jumping. I must have him back, whether he likes it or not. He's my kind of man, not Paul. All the relationship I had didn't work, and I mustn't be single. I can't wait to crawl back into my man's arms.
What a lie. What a lie.
Come here.
What a lie. What a lie is going.
And where are you coming from?
Oga, actually, I went to from.
So you can't talk? Huh? You can no longer talk. I asked you where you're coming from and you're stammering. Abel, I gave you a job to protect my property. And you left my house to go be with some fat woman. Abel, you've grown wings. Huh?
Fat woman. Not even plump. So I don't do with fat woman. I don't have any fat woman. What am I doing with fat woman?
So you're not calling me a liar?
Saki, you cannot lie. There's no way you would. How can you lie? But I don't know any fat woman. I mean fat one.
No problem. Abel, I want you to go in there and pick everything that belongs to you and get out of my house. Can you hear me? If I go in there and come out and meet you here again, I will kill you. Can you hear me? Rubbish.
Sir. Me, fat woman. Sir, it's not true. It's not true. Ask people that know me very well. I want any fat woman. If it is plumpy, it's my plumpy. Oga, see, Oga, I know this job. Oga, sir. Organic. Pack my things and leave. Hear me, which fat woman? Who is saying this rubbish? Sir, I cannot. Oh God. I heard all you said. out. I insist you make peace. I wish I met that your friend. I would have dealt with her. No matter what, she has no right to slap your husband.
Really? Yes. He started it. Then he got what he wanted. Simple.
We are not here to talk about who is right or wrong. Please forgive. Francis, do what we discussed, please.
Sorry. I didn't know what came over me. But I promise that I'm never going to lay my hands on you again. You know how much I love you. I love you so much. Please, find a place in your heart and forgive me. You're all I have.
His friend came and reconciled them. I'm sure she'll start asking the whereabouts of the gate man. And he might be tempted to tell the wife about you.
He wouldn't do that. He loves his family so much. And he's not even ready to lose his Sioma. The task we have at hand is very difficult. And I must find a way to solve it.
I'm scared already. I don't want them to arrest me if they eventually find out about me.
You will be long gone before they realize it. So, we need to focus on the next plan. Ready?
Ready.
Gotta get up. Alright, so I'll see you there.
Okay. Alright.
Thank you.
Okay.
Francis, I must get you back.
My baby. The love of my life. My baby.
Yes, baby. I know. Abel!
Hey, baby.
Abel!
Babe.
Where is he and why is she doing the job of a gate man?
Because I fired Abel.
What? When that you didn't let me know?
Baby, it was the period we were having issues, okay? But I can explain.
Okay. What did he do?
Actually, that idiot will leave his job and go follow some fat woman that stays in Wuju Street. Whenever the woman comes here, Abel will leave his duty and abandon the job and follow the woman and come back whenever you want.
Wait. Please, when did that start? Because he wasn't like that.
Like they said, change is constant. Baby, let's just go.
No, please, honey. Can you call him for me? I want to ask him a few questions. Please.
Okay, I will. Okay? Let's go, baby. Come on.
No, this is wrong.
Baby, it's okay. I will call him for you. Okay.
No, we need to get another game. This is wrong. This is so wrong.
My baby.
You said you wanted to see me, and here you are, telling me about your friend's family. What's my business?
I want to introduce you to my friend. And also tell you what people are going through in their marriages. So we should avoid it in the future. As a couple.
What couple are you talking about?
You and I.
You're very stupid. What is wrong with you? Don't you give up? Read my lips. There is nothing in this life that will make me to accept you. Don't you get it? I do not know your friend. So quit trying to introduce me to anyone. I am not interested.
Ijela, I love you. As I love you. Can't you feel it? Can't you feel it? How do you think I will leave you? I've told everyone in my family about you. I have even booked date for our traditional marriage. Just please, free your heart, baby. Baby, please, stop being stubborn. Start arranging Achebi girls to start sewing their clothes. We don't have time anymore. I have even informed our market union. So we don't have time anymore, baby.
Why don't you inform the president of this country? No. Better say, inform the governor of this state. What is wrong with you? Listen, this will be the last time I will give you audience. Out from my office.
Baby, calm down.
Uncle, leave my office!
Since you can't remember anything about your parents, my wife and I have decided to take you to the hospital where you recover from.
Does that mean I won't be coming back to the house again?
The most important thing right now is for you to regain your memory. Alright? Listen, we'll take you to your mother to know that you are okay. Then we can keep taking care of it. That's not a problem.
I don't want to leave, please. I have come to love this family.
This is your home. You can always visit. That's not a problem, okay?
Please don't save me. I don't want to go. Please. Please, please. Please, I don't want to save me. I don't want to go. Please. They said they will take me to the hospital next tomorrow. Okay, please. I don't want to go to the hospital. Nothing is wrong with me. Okay. I'm calm. Please, I don't want to go to the hospital. I'm fine. Okay.
That is a good move. Let her leave your house. Let her leave your house so you will calm down and know what is wrong with your family. I suspected everyone.
Actually, I didn't suspect anybody. I just saw it as a normal family issues that I will settle, and eventually I did.
Francis, I wanted to tell you something.
Okay.
Don't hide anything from your wife. If you have any information that will hurt your wife in the future, tell her today. Because if she finds out on her own, it's going to be too late for you.
There's no cause for alarm. You know, I will fix everything. You don't need to worry. I will handle everything. I trust you. Thank you, my guy. Good afternoon, Mary. Don't worry, very soon stop living on a distance, okay? I know we need a gate man and Ebe is coming back tomorrow.
So Ebe is coming back to this house?
Yes. What about my wife? Is she back yet?
Oh, she's not. She said something about going to the salon.
Okay, give me something soft, okay?
Okay, sir.
No, no, no. Some friends are so bad. Some friends are evil. No, no, no. Some friends are so cruel. They don't want to be. Behind the mask, there's a face. Some friends are so wicked. Oh no, you have to be careful. You don't know their plan. No.
Miriam!
So bad. Some friends are
Miriam!
No.
What is this?
No.
What's going on here?
No.
What's going on?
Some friends are so cruel.
What happened here? Ask her.
Madam, your friend visited and Oga brought one substance and asked me to put it in her drink, which I did. Later, your friend started sleeping
And what?
And Oga removed her clothes. Then I ran inside.
Behind the mask, there's a face. Some friends are so wicked. Oh no, you have to be careful. You don't know their plan. No. Some friends are so bad.
Maybe this is a setup. You don't let them win.
No.
I took the drink and I passed out. Besides, your friend never visited. I saw her when I woke up.
So you want me to believe this your cock and bull story, right? Okay, no problem. Why did you defend yourself while she was here? Why? Because you know she would take it up. You're aware of that and you couldn't speak up.
Babe, I'm not lying.
You keep hurting me and you keep saying sorry. You!
Baby.
Don't touch me!
Baby, I'm not lying to you. I feel like I was drugged.
Drugged? No, let me. By who? I mean, who served you the drink?
Miriam, of course.
Miriam?
Yes.
Wait. Miriam?
Yes. Miriam served me the drink.
You know you're such a pathetic liar. I can't just face you because you lied too much. Miriam drugged you? So you now twist it around to put it on Miriam when you asked Miriam to drug my friend.
No. Babe, I didn't do that. I'm not lying to you.
You know what? I'm done. I can't continue. I am done. I am done.
Babe, why the change in attitude? I hope I'm safe.
Okay, I was thinking about you, and I realized that I've been treating you wrongly, and I came to say I'm sorry.
It's okay. I love you, you know that.
You too.
You're always welcome.
Thank you, babe. Thank you. It's just that I have a problem on my neck that I need to solve so I can concentrate on our marriage.
Wait a minute. You have a problem? I am a problem solver. What is the problem?
I'm paying someone 10 million naira and the person is on my neck. So I need to pay the person up to enable me to concentrate on our marriage.
Only 10 million naira?
Yes, baby.
And you concentrate on me? Me alone?
Of course, baby.
I am Odogu. Omelo Ranini. Put your account number.
Oh my God. Yeah, baby.
Done.
Are you serious? Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
I told you I will always put a smile on your face.
Thank you, baby. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Come again, more hug, baby.
Thank you.
So, can we go inside my shop now?
Sorry?
Yeah.
No, baby. I think we should get to a hotel so that I can concentrate fully on you. So just go in and get ready while I go and prepare my things. I'll join you.
I'm ever ready.
Thank you, baby.
I'm ever ready. My guy. What happened? You sounded very worried on the phone. But before that, I have a good news. You know that my babe, finally, she has accepted my proposal. So, tonight is going to be raw! My man!
See, my guy, my wife wants to leave me. She said she's done with the marriage.
What is wrong? Why? Before I believe this is a setup, what happened to your relationship with your ex? How did it end?
Our genotype doesn't match.
Okay.
I am AS, she's AS. You know, but mine and that of my wife, it's compatible. We spoke with the doctor and the doctor said there's nothing we can do about it.
Good.
That we should both go our separate ways. But she's so adamant. She said we should pray about it and still go ahead with marriage.
Really?
Yes, I saw that it was not making sense. And everything was just about marriage to her. That was why I left.
What is wrong with that lady? My guy, you would have told your wife everything. So she will be more careful with that lady.
Huh? I just don't want to lose my family.
Okay.
I love my wife so much.
Okay. Let's go and meet her. I want to talk to your wife. I will talk to her.
No, Some friends are evil.
What?
Just please listen to me. Please, Isioma. Don't allow evil plans of your friend to come to pass. Please. I have the feelings about this.
What are you saying?
I am sure of what I'm
Well,
talking
sure of
about.
what? You're sure of what? No, you are sure of what? That my friend instigated this? Are you trying to tell me she's behind what happened? Is that what you're trying to say? My friend? Don't even tell me to calm down. Don't even tell me to calm down. Is that what you're saying?
She planned everything. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Miriam served him drink, right?
Yeah, she did.
Can you please call her?
Miriam! Miriam! Miriam!
Where could she have gone to?
Could you believe this woman made out on my couch? Could you believe that?
Please, can I see her picture? Can I see the picture of this girl in question?
That's the picture.
Yeah, that's Jezebel, that's the girl.
This is the girl I've been following around.
This girl?
Yeah! All of a sudden, she said yes to me today. She asked me to give her 10 million naira.
Don't tell me you gave her the money.
I did. You gave her 10 million! My money! My money, please!
You have to be careful.
You know, baby, stop. Stop.
I told you. I didn't lie to you. I didn't do anything with that girl.
No. Some friends are so bad. Some friends are evil. No. Some friends are
Miriam.
so cruel. They don't want to be.
Now this makes sense. So you brought Miriam to my house to ruin my home. Hey, Chidinma. Miriam, what have we done to you? Huh? So you think we're not going to see you? After stealing 10 million naira from my friend Paul? Huh? You surprised? Huh? And he's still looking for you everywhere. I'm sorry, but I know your shortcut. This is the end of the road for you. Officer, this is the thief. This is the criminal.
You're under arrest by stealing 10 million naira from one Mr. Paul. You need to remain silent. Because whatever you do here or say, we use against you in the court of law. Sergeant!
Take them to the station. Move back.
Household enemy is the worst enemy.
It's not necessary.
The greatest enemy lives with you. Yeah. Oh, some are dogs in a manger. The devil, you know, is better.
So, sir, that is how it all happened. And that fateful day, I noticed her movement and I decided to follow her. So I followed her to some point. She disappeared. That was when I knew that she's up to something. So before I will return to the house, I saw Oga standing outside, saying that I went to see one fat woman. You know the like fat woman. I got shocked. The next thing I heard is go inside and pack your things.
You already know about that. And that's why we called you to say you are sorry. And please, can you resume back to work?
Yes. You heard my wife. I want to personally apologize for what happened. And equally, I want you to resume work and we're going to increase your salary.
Okay, thank you so much. Madam, thank you. I know this increase on salary that you, I know you. Alright, thank you so much. Hi, Oga. Thank you. You see this return ticket, this return match. Nobody will cross this gate. Nobody. Except people say, you know, I always see that your friend in the spirit. I saw her whenever I'm praying in the spirit. I will say, this one is evil. But if I tell her, I will not agree. But you see this one, I'll bring the matter straight to you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hey.
Household enemy is the worst enemy. The greatest enemy lives with you, yeah. Oh, some are dogs in a manger. The devil you know is better than the angel you don't know.